Subscribe, cute baby. Don't forget to like the video.
Choo-choo goes the rainbow train. Choo-choo goes the rainbow train, rolling through the starry rain. Tigers yawn and foxes sigh, waving moonbeams passing by. Bears in jammies climb aboard, owls and bunnies gently snore. Each soft car is safe and round, bound for dreams in sleepy town. Ride the rainbow, close your eyes, drift beneath the velvet skies. Snuggle close, don't make a sound, we're on our way to sleepy town. Koalas hum a lullaby, stars are blinking way up high. Clouds are pillows, skies are blue, night is wrapping around you too. Pandas munch a bedtime snack, seals and cubs all cuddle back. Clickety-clack, the train slows down, coming near to sleepy town. Ride the rainbow, close your eyes, drift beneath the velvet skies. Snuggle close, don't make a sound, we're on our way to sleepy town. Now the train is still and quiet, dreams begin, no need to fight it.